Which one do you think is bigger? Raised to power 100 factorial. Yeah, this thing means factorial. It means if I say 2 factorial, 2 factorial, it means 2 times 1. If I say 5 factorial, it means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. All the multiples until I get down to 1. Do you understand? We always stop at 1. Is that okay? So it means if I say 100 factorial, it means 100 times 99 times. Alright. Alright. You understand, right? So how do we prove that this one is greater than this? How? Okay, let's do this. Now let's represent this expression by, let's put it in logarithmic form. Logarithmic form. So what would this become? This will be log 98 raised to power 100 factorial, right? Right. So let's call that x, for example. So if x is this, it means that x will be equal to 100 factorial log 98. No, let's use natural log. Is that okay? I want us to use natural log because it could be to any base. Log could be to any base. Do you understand? So let's use natural log. Is that okay? So that will be ln 98. Here also we are using ln. Do you understand? Alright. So we have expressed this in logarithmic form. Now, let's make this one too in logarithmic form. Let's call it x. Let's call it y. Okay? Y equal to on natural log of 100 raised to the power 98 factorial. So that y will be equal to what? 98 factorial ln 100. Is it clear? Okay. So we can do something here. Let's take the ratio of x and y. So x over y will be equal to what? 100 factorial ln 98 over 98 factorial ln 100. Alright, from here, let's isolate this. Let's separate this rather. So what does it give us? It will give us 100 factorial over 98 factorial dot ln 98 over ln 100. So of course, you know this one will be bigger than this, right? Okay, so if this one will be bigger than this, let's see how much. Okay, that's even simple to express. You notice that this will become 100 times 98, 99 times 98 times 97 up until we get to 100, right? But we don't have to do it to 100 here. Do you know why? This place is 98 factorial. 98 will start from 98 down to 1, right? So if they are dividing each other, it means they will cut each other. I don't know if you understand. Everything from 98 to 1 will cut everything here. You get it, right? So this can take care of this. So what we have left is what? 9900 over 1. Is that clear? So dot. Now let's see. What is ln 98? Ln 98. Okay, 4.5849. So that is 4.585. Over ln 100. That should be 4 point something, so it should be close. 4.605. Alright. So from this ratio, it looks like this one is bigger than this, right? But because of this multiple, this one that will be multiplied with it, it actually shows that this one is going to be bigger. Do you understand? So if you multiply this guy by this guy and divide it by this guy, now, when do you know something is bigger than the other? If you take the ratio, to know if x is greater than y, x is greater than y if x over y gives, if x over y is greater than 1. Do you understand? X is greater than y if x over y is greater than 1. That is, if we use y to divide x, the answer we'll get is greater than 1. So for example, if x was 4, x was x if x was 4, y is 2, you know that 4 is actually greater than 2 because if you divide it, you're going to get something greater than 1, right? But x is less than y if x over y will give a number less than 1. Do you understand? All right, so here, this will give a number less than 1, but this one times that number because of this ratio. This one times this will give us this back, but this one times this is going to give us a very large number. Is that okay? Let's see the large number. Divide this by this. That should give you 0. This is 1. This by this. That will be 0.9 what? Because they are very close. So that is around 1 in fact. 0.9 something. 565. All right. So you see, multiply by this by 9900. You should know that it will still be close to this now. See, this is almost 1 now. So it should give you that back. Almost at least around that back. Do you understand? All right, so that's it. We have proven that this guy is actually greater than this guy. So our x is greater than y. Do you understand? I'm going to cut it now. I do have to subscribe to the channel if you have not, and click the bell notification to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you.